Welcome to your tokens tutorial. A token replaces sensitive card data with an alphanumeric value. This SendPOS token ID has no real value outside of your SendPOS merchant ID number. Tokens reduce the risk of data breaches which expose your cardholder's information. A client ID or an email address is necessary to process a transaction that will allow saving a card on file. You may use a combination of the two as well. Enter the amount and invoice number, then select Sale. Select the green plus sign for card and adjust the amount only if a partial payment will be processed. You may use Moto if you're processing the transaction manually for a card not present transaction. In this case, we'll be using the credit card machine. Make sure your cursor is on the card number field. The credit card device will prompt the cardholder to insert or swipe their card. Once that's completed, the card information will populate onto the screen. If the card is swiped, it may also ask you to enter the last 4 digits of the card number. You must complete the remaining required fields and select Submit to process the transaction. A progress bar will show at the top of the page, and the cardholder will be requested to confirm the amount and enter a PIN number or signature depending on the type of card. This is where you could ask the cardholder if they'd like to save their card on file to enter their billing address and zip. Finally, select Yes to save the card on file. Here we have our receipt, which we can print or close out. All of the payment types can be combined using partial amounts as long as they add up to the total balance. Now let's say your customer has come back and would like to use the card on file. In order to bring up a token or card saved on file, you'll enter the client ID or an email address, and again you may enter a combination of both to narrow down your search. Enter the amount and invoice number, then select Sale. Select the green plus sign for card on file and select the token you'd like to charge. Adjust the amount if a partial payment will be processed and select Submit. Here we have our receipt, which we can print or close out. All of the payment types can be combined using partial amounts until the full amount is tendered. You must select Done to finalize and report accepted payments. It's important to note that selecting Cancel will cancel all tendered payments. SendPOS, engineering the future of payments.